So one of the quickest ways to grow your Instagram account is to add hashtags to your posts. So here's how to add hashtags. So let's go ahead and create a new post. So I'm just gonna go there, select maybe this post, okay? And I can go and do my stickers, my audio, my text and whatnot. And then when I come to this page where I'm just about to share, you can see we have hashtags here, okay? So you can tap on that and then start putting hashtags. So for instance, you can put, as you're typing, you will see suggestions. So for instance, you can see this one has 31 million public posts. So you can select that and then that's going to create a space for you. And you can now put another hash there and then start typing another hashtag. So I'm just gonna put patrol there. And you can see, you can select from the suggestions which one you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick this one for instance, and you can add as many hashtags as you want. Now, if you don't want to type hashtag, you can just tap on the hashtag icon here and then start typing. Okay, so let me add another hashtag, driving, which has 10.6 million views. And then normally these hashtags come after the caption. The best way to write them is right below the caption. So you want to give yourself enough space to write the caption like that. And then you can put your captions just below you can put your hashtags right below the captions. And then once you're happy, you can just tap OK and then tap on share. Now, putting hashtags in your post gives yourself you give yourself a chance, or you give that post a chance to be seen by other people who are interested in these topics. Okay, but that is basically how to put a hashtag on an Instagram post, or how to put hashtags. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.